10 years ago, if a company wanted to build a website, it would have to hire multiple people to get it done. Designer to design the website, front-end developer to implement the design made by the designer, back-end developer to develop and maintain back-end database, and database administrator to maintain data access rules. But now, if the same company want to build the same website, will simply hire a full stack developer who will take care of all the things. In fact, if the website is not so complex or dynamic, the company instead of hiring anyone will outsource its work. Similarly, in old days, if a company wanted to build a mobile application, then it had to hire two different developers to build two different apps for iOS and Android respectively. But now companies don't want to spend money on multiple developers. Therefore, they look out for hybrid developer who can develop an app which is cross-platform supported. Look how much the workforce has reduced despite the fact I have not even introduced AI yet. Building an app or website is not a big deal today. Using platforms like Wix and WordPress, one can easily build a website without any coding knowledge. Another reason that programming career is not so promising is less pay. 10 years ago, what companies like TCS and Cognizant pays to new joinees is more or less same today. In fact, in some cases, it has even reduced. If we take inflation and time value of money into consideration, salaries nowadays is definitely less when compared to what it has been in old days. The reason behind it is growing competition and work being automated. More and more people are now moving to IT industry and the companies are taking advantage of it. Unemployed people are willing to work for less wage. Experienced IT people are applying for freshers job position, and because of it, freshers and students are not getting opportunities. Now you would say, hey, yes, the website and app development are not so promising, so why not work on new technologies like machine learning, artificial intelligence, IoT, blockchain and etc. Yes, you are right, but just think how much people would it be needed to write a single machine learning algorithm. A single or maximum of 2% is enough to do so. A machine learning algorithm or program for image recognition can be used by others without rewriting it from the scratch. Have you ever came across job vacancies which is hiring 100 plus machine learning and AI developers? The answer is no. Mass recruitment is not possible in these technologies because work can be done by just few people. Also, you would be shocked to know that GPT-3, which is an AI product of OpenAI Elon Musk company, can efficiently write Python, React and SQL code, can design website just from single text, can create stories, can be used as search engine and a lot more. Although it is at starting phase, but we cannot deny the fact that machines can learn faster than humans. The day is not far away when computer will be able to write better code than we people. I recommend you to watch this video of ex-Google and Facebook employee who in 2018 only advised not to focus on programming. I'm not saying that career in programming is over. I'm just trying to make you aware that IT industry is getting tougher year by year. Companies want candidate who can do the job of 5 people, who knows at least 5 programming languages and who at least has the knowledge of full stack developer. If you don't believe me, just Google yourself the requirements and qualification for internship opportunity in any tech company. You will definitely blow away just by looking at the desired skills they want. These many requirements are just for an internship position. Imagine how much skills you would need to get into good tech companies as full-time employee in few years. So what should we focus on if programming is not the bright future? Well, all I could say is to look for the opportunities which could hardly be replaced by machine and AI, like digital marketing, HR and management, DevOps, which is deploying machine learning models or software in the clouds, arts and designing, business operations and sales. These are just few promising careers. The list is endless. Just explore. That's all for this video. Whatever I have stated is my personal opinion and is not intended to offend someone. Like, share and subscribe. See you in next video.